Welcome to qnawire.
In this question, we have an elastic collision between two blocks, M1 and M2, on a frictionless floor. So an M2, the mass of M2 is 3 times of M1. Okay, so M1 approaches M2, which is at rest before the collision, and then with a speed of v1i, and then after the collision, M1 has velocity v1f, M2 has velocity v2f to the right. Okay. In this question, we are also given that the VCM is equal to 3 meters per second. Okay. In part A, we want to find the VCM after the collision and the V2F. Okay, so to find the VCM after the collision, we'll be using conservation of momentum. Okay, so the net force is 0. Net force on the two block system equals to 0. So there's no change in VCM. Okay, so VCM after the collision, okay, is still equal to 3 meters per second. Okay, so this is the answer for part A. Okay, then in part B, we want to find the speed of block 2 after the collision. Okay, we want to use this formula. Okay, V2F is equal to 2m1 divided by m1 plus m2 times v1i. But in this formula, we don't have v1i, so we can try to find v1i from the VCM. Okay, so and we will also be using VCM equals to summation of mi vi divided by total mass. Okay, so VCM equals to m1 v1i divided by m1 plus m2. Okay, so this is equal to m1 times 3 this one is not 3, this one is v1i, okay, divided by m1 plus 3m1, okay, and this is equal to 3 meters per second. Okay, VCM is 3, so v1i is equal to you have m1 divided by 4m1 equal to 3 meters per second. So m1 cancels, so v1i is equal to 12 meters per second. Okay, then we can find v2f right now. So v2f is equal to 2m1 divided by m1 plus m2 v1i, so 2m1 divided by 4m1 times 12. Okay, so we have 6 meters per second. Okay, and that's all for this question.